Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tell you what, the family is kind of craving some chicken fajitas, and frankly I am too. And I'm going to bring a very simple chicken fajita cook to you. Got the smoke right here, got a chimney fired up. It's got some thin cut chicken breast inside, and I got some frozen vegetables. We're going to get on here and get everything seared up. Just make some nice little fajitas. And let me show you how we're going to do it. Alright guys, I'm going to come in here. I just got some of this, it's made by Blackstone, or Blackstone puts it out as taco and fajita seasoning. It's really good stuff. I'm just going to do a simple, quick seasoning with this, and that's all we're going to use, guys. Probably use the same thing on the vegetables. I don't expect this to be a very long cook at all. Once this charcoal comes up, we'll get it dumped. I think we're going to use the FireDial tonight and see if I can do another cook on that and see how it works on these fajitas. I suspect it'll be just fine. I used these in a steak fajita cook I did a while back, and they worked out really good. I'm just going to do it again. Frozen vegetables. That's the fajita blend from Meyer, or my local store brand. Alright, I think we're close enough. I do suggest gloves while we're putting our FireDial in. Oh, before I do that, I've got some mesquite chunks. I'm going to get on in there so we can get a little smoke rolling. Alright. Right in. Let this get heated up. Alright guys, let's get this thing started here. I'm going to come in with our pan here. Come over here. Got this from Grillaholics. Great for doing vegetables and whatnot. And with our bag of veggies, you got some red and green bell peppers, some onions in there. Shouldn't take it that long, to be honest with you. And I'm going to hit them up with just a little bit of this seasoning. Same thing I put on the chicken. And I'm just going to come on in here with our chicken at the same time. We'll check back in a few minutes and give that some veggies a stir. Just want to come over here and check everything out. It's just been a few minutes. I don't think it's going to take very long, guys. FireDial's doing its job. Beautiful. We'll come in here and try to turn some of these. Oh wow, yeah, I need to turn them more often. Of course, I am directly over the hose here. Nice. Loving what I see, guys. I'll come back in a few minutes and check them out. I'll move this lid over here for some even cooking. I just want to come in and check some temps here. We ain't far, guys. I fired off. We're at 150. Yeah, that was very close back there. I might have to rotate these around a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna flip these. I'm gonna pull that one back here out front. Move one of these back here. Give everything else a good flip. You should smell this, guys. This is amazing. There we vegetables a good stir here. Check them for temp. Oh, we're about there. Yeah. Alright guys, I think we are there. Definitely there. Let me get these off of here. That one might need a minute or two. I'm gonna pull off what we can. Get these vegetables inside. I'm gonna heat up some tortillas. And we're gonna make us a chicken fajita. Alright guys, and last but not least, I'm just gonna come in here and we're gonna warm up some tortillas. I don't know how many I can fit on here at a time, but we're gonna find out. Won't take but a minute or so on each side. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this up. Get inside and make us a fajita. Come in here and get some of this cut up so we can get some fajitas action going on. Oh, it's still hot. Nice. Finish this up, get the family fed. We'll come back and make us a fajita. Alright, let's get this thing going. One tortilla right there. There on my fine china. I'm gonna come out with just a little bit of this taco rice right there. I always overdo this. Come on, get some of this beautiful chicken we grilled out there. Some of these vegetables. We're not gonna go crazy here. Yeah, we will. You know we will. Just a little bit of this salsa right there. What do you think? A little too much, maybe? We're gonna make this work. A little sour cream. Gotta have some sour cream on a fajita. So you look at that. I'll tell you right now, it's gonna be super, super messy. Let's get a bite of this. I like it, guys. These are hard to mess up, I'll be honest with you. Just get some good seasoning, grill them up. I prefer the thinner the better as for fajitas. But my God, these are so good. Get a thumbs up from the back here, everyone like it? Seeing thumbs up everywhere. Guys, thank you so much. This is fairly quick. You know, pretty quick meal, didn't take that long to do. I wanted to try out that FireDial again. They worked really good in this situation. Did not take that long to cook this. I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, 25, 30 minutes total. That's the vegetables on the grill. The thin cut chicken breast. You can do some chicken thighs with this too. That's delicious, guys. Some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I might have to do that next for you. So, guys, thank you as always. You know the drill. Catching tools as they fly out. You know the drill. Like, share the video, subscribe if you have not already. That always helps us, and hit that bell notification. Let you know I got a new video each and every time I post. So, guys, thank you as always. God bless you. Bye-bye.